Exercise 2.1, question number 1. I power 1947 plus I power 1950. We want to find the value of this one. I want to split this powers here because we know the values for I square, I cube, I power 4 like this. In the small powers only we know the values. So by using that values only we are going to do the problem then. So this I power 1947 can be written as 4 into 486 plus 3. If you multiply these two and add along with this 3, we can get the value 1947. Okay. Similarly, I want to split this 1950 as 4 into 487 plus 2 here. Okay. So here 4 times. If you multiply 4 times of this 486, it will be the I power 4 value is 1. So 1, the whole value will be 1 here. Okay. So 1 power 3 is here. So now we got the value I power 3. Similarly, here I power 4 into 487 is here. So the whole value will be 1. 4 into I power 4 is 1. The whole value will be 1 only there. And along with this I power 2 is here. So simply now we got I power 2. So I cube plus I square now we got as a simplification of this powers. I cube value is minus 1. Value of I square is minus 1. So now we got the answer as minus 1 minus I here. Question number 2. I power 1948 minus I power minus 1869. Even here also I want to split the powers into the smallest powers there. Okay. So we can split the powers as the 1948 can be written as I power 4 into 487. And this 1869 can be written as 4 into 467 plus 1 here. So 4 into, we have 4 I power 4 into 487. I power 4 value is 1 here. So I can straight away write the value as minus 1 here. And then I power minus of 4 into 467. Till this the value is 1. I can split this value into 2. The second term can be split into 2 terms here. So I power minus 4 into 467. Sorry, 487 into this I power 1. Here already we have minus symbol, so it will be become minus 1 here. I power minus 1. So for this I power 4 into 487, I can write this as I power 4 into the whole power minus 487 is here. This I power minus 1 can be written as 1 by I. Okay. So now we can simplify this as keep this 1 as it is here. And then I power 4, this value is 1 into the whole power will be 1 only there. Here 1 by I is there. This 1 by I can be multiplied with numerator and denominator by I here. So I can get this 1 into I is I and I into I is I square. The value of I square is minus 1. Okay. So already we have 1 here. So keep this 1 as it is. This I by minus 1 can be written as plus here. So plus minus into minus plus here. and then I by 1 is nothing but I only. So the total value is 1 plus I here. Then question number 3, summation of n to 12, n equal to 1 to 12, I power n. We want to find the solution for this I power 1. It can be from 1 to 12. Okay. So, sigma n equal to 1 to 12 I power n. We can write this as I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4. Here it's given minus n, isn't it? So I can write this as I power minus 1, I power minus 2, I power 3, 4 like this. And even here I power 5, 6, 7, 8 and here 9, 10, 11, 12. Till 12 we have that, isn't it? So I want to group this as 4, 4 in this. So the value will be I power 1 is I only. Here the value is I. Here this is I. I square value is minus 1. I cube is minus I. And I power 4 is plus 1. Isn't it? So we can cancel here and here. So the first bracket will get 0. Similarly, here I power 5 can be written as I power 4 into I. Isn't it? Plus I power 6 can be written as I cube into I cube. Plus I power 7 can be written as I cube into I power 4. And I power 8 can be written as I power 4 into I power 4. Okay, here the value is I and here it is minus 1. Here it is I, minus I will be here and here it is plus 1. So here also it will be cancelled. So each bracket will be cancelled like this. So the value final answer is 0. Fourth problem, I power 59 plus 1 by I power 59. So this I power 59 can be written as I power 4 into 14 plus 3 plus here we have 1 by I power 59. This can be written as I power 4 into 14 plus 3 here also. At the denominator we have I, isn't it? So I want to multiply both numerator and denominator by I here. Okay. And then okay. So now I will have this the value 4 into 14. That I power 4 is nothing but 1 only here. So here it will be 1 and then into I cube is there. Here plus 3 is there. It's nothing but I cube. So the value is here 1 into I cube is I cube and then here I have I divided by I power 4. This value is 1. So simply at the denominator also I have 3, isn't it? So I can write this as 1 by I cube. This is 1 here. 1 by I cube. So now I got 1 by I cube plus 1 by I cube. This 1 by I cube, the value of I cube is minus 1, minus I, isn't it? So keep this value as minus I and then both numerator and denominator can be divided by, multiply and divided by I there. So I can write this as 1 into I is I divided by plus I into minus I is minus I square. The value is I square value is minus 1. Here minus I into I is there. I can write this as minus I square. Here minus of I square value is minus 1. So it will become plus 1. So the value of minus I into I is 1 here. So already here the I numerated I is there. So the value is plus I. So minus I plus I is nothing but 0. Question number 5. I into I square into I cube etc. I power 2000. Here I can write this in the power like this, I power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. till 2000. So it's nothing but the sum of natural numbers. I can write this as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is 2000 here. So 2000 into 2001 divided by 2 here. I can cancel here and here. So that I got 1000. Okay. So 1000 I power 1000 into 2001 here. So I power 1000 is 1 here. So 1 power 2001 is nothing but 1 only. Okay. And then question number 6. Sigma n equal to 1 to 10 I power n plus 50. Here n equal to 1 to 10 I power n plus 10, 50 can be written split into 2 there. That means I power n into I power 50. Here I power n is here and 50 can be split into 2 parts there. That's nothing but 48 into 2. 48 plus 2, isn't it? So I can again split this as I power 48 into I square. Okay, and then this I square value is minus 1. So keep this minus 1 here itself. And I power 48 is 1. So no need to put the number here. So simply now we have the remaining term as sigma n equal to 1 to 10 I power n is here. Now we want to find the value for this bracket now. So keep this minus 1 as it is here, and then from 1 to 10 only we are going to put the number. So we can group this as 4 terms there. So the last remaining I power 9 and I power 10 is here. So we know that this bracket, the value is 0 and here also 0, and then here I power 9 can be written as I power 4 into I power 4 into I. So this I power 4 is 1, this is also 1, so the remaining is I here. So we got the value I now. And then I power 10 can be written as I square into I square into I square into 5 times we will write that. So totally we have the value as I square. That I square value is minus 1. So I can write this as I minus 1 in the bracket now. So multiply along with this minus so that it will become 1 minus I now.